Alright, so this is the removal of the hard drive. So make sure the power supply is disconnected and the two cables are disconnected also. Take out the screw so you can slide out the hard drive. And the hard drive should easily slide out. There are very few external connectors. The only ones you can see are the power supply, the jumper, and the IDE. So the reinstallation is pretty easy too. So all you gotta do is just put in the wires, the power supply, and the IDE connector. And then make sure you slide it in correctly. And then you just screw back. That's how you install and reinstall a hard drive.
Alright, this is the inside of a hard drive. This disk area would be the platter, which is where the information is written on the hard drive. And then the spindle would be the thing that holds the platter in place and makes it easier for it to spin, which is right here. This is the actuator arm, which moves back and forth and records the information. And at the very tip is the head, which helps in recording the information to the hard disk drive.
The hard disk drive has various limitations. It generates lots of heat. It can only do magnetic recording. It can only access memory as fast as it can spin. It needs more time to transfer info over older cables. It fails at high usage and high temperatures, and is very fragile.